Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you guys so much for the support. I can see that people are looking at the videos, they're asking questions, and they are leaving their comments on how they feel about the video. So today's Sunday and I'm going to cook my mom's brown stew chicken just the way she always does it when we were younger. So this brown stew chicken, it's regular like how other people normally do it, but she does it like a whole her leg, a whole her thigh, breast, everything. She doesn't cut it up or anything. So this is my chicken. Right now this is a lot of chicken, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season all of it and I'm going to put some in the freezer for another day. And let's get started. First off, these are my vegetables and my seasoning. Like this is scallion, carrot, Irish potato, onion, garlic, tomato, sweet pepper, hot pepper, right? So after I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up and show you the different cuts. There's supposed to be thyme, supposed to be added to it, but I don't have any at the moment, so we're gonna do without. So remember my last video, in most of my videos I always say make sure to have your hot water, because this is how we're going to be cleaning the chicken. We're going to be scalding it off with some hot water, get rid of any excess feather or any dirt that's on it, and it's an easy way to clean the fat off the chicken also. A lot of people don't like the fatty part, so we're going to get that off. And guys, if you are feeling my uniform, please feel free to reach out to me. I do sell them. I do not have them stocked, so I have to pre-order them. You can reach out to me at ksm.chefmackenzie05@gmail.com. Always sanitize your work area before you start working. Wash your hands as often as possible. And keep your knives sharp. A good chef ain't got a dull knife, I could tell you that. So I'm adding my hot water right now. I didn't clean the meat at all. I just cut it up and add the hot water. And you leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now you see all those fats floating on the top. That's what the hot water did. Guys, sweet pepper, please make sure that you clean it out properly before you cook it, because some people tend to leave, maybe not the seeds, but you see this little part here. Sometimes we tend to leave that little part in it, and it can cause bitterness in the food. So you have to make sure that you clean it out properly. I promise you that your food will taste much better. So I'm adding my seasonings to my chicken. Now I miss my thyme. I never like cooking without thyme. All-purpose, black pepper, not too much. This is jerk seasoning. Just a little bit because it's very salty. And now you want to go ahead and you mix that in. Try to squeeze that chicken. Let all those seasoning get down in there. It's better to use your hand. You can put on a gloves if you're preparing food for someone else, but otherwise you could use your bare hands. I'm not scared of pepper. I cook with pepper almost every day, so my hand is used to it. And leave the skins on. The skin protects the chicken, keeps it very juicy. This is my apron, and without the apron, this is my jacket. It does close here, I close it. It has a button here to hold the apron, and it is waterproof, so if I'm in the kitchen and the water catches it, it bounces off like that, right? And this is my jacket for maternity use. I'm not pregnant right now, but it has a split right here. It has a split there, and you can, there are 2 zips. It zips from there, come up, and you can also zip it from the bottom, come up. So you have an open area for breeze if you are pregnant. And for my hat, it is air ventilated at the top, and at the back you can see this. So your little ponytail can come through here, and it locks like that. I have a small head, so I gotta keep it tight. My chef jacket is also air ventilated at the sides. So the kitchen tends to get hot, so you need a jacket that's not too thick but is in good quality, and also helps you to support making your work easier and more efficient in the kitchen. So after I finish seasoning my meat, I'm gonna cover it, let it stay for 15 to 20 minutes, and then the magic begins. And guys, please be reminded that this brown stew chicken that I'm doing, there'll be no browning added to it. I am going to cook it without adding any browning, and it would be perfect. In the meantime, I'm making a quick coleslaw. I'm adding carrot, tomato, sweet pepper, and corn. And the main ingredient is the cabbage. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just 2, not a lot. Now I'm adding 2 full spoons of mayo. Then I'm gonna go ahead and work that in with my hands. It mixes better with your hands. If you're at home, you could do this. If you're at work, you could put on gloves because you're feeding other people. And I'm also gonna put in a cork full of vinegar. You could also use lime juice. Yummy! Again, I like my garlic burn in my oil. Normally as it starts to burn, I would take it out, but now I'm gonna leave it in and add my meat. And you don't want an overcrowded pot because the oil will start to boil, and you don't want that. So you add like 2 or 3 at a time, depending on the size. So now my first meat is coming out. You see how brown that is? And we're gonna add that over here with the rest. And you just want to shake some of the seasoning off. Don't add too much on it in the pot. There are my chicken. So, you want to know the secret? You see how I seasoned the chicken with all of these seasonings, the onion, whatsoever, and I did not shake all of them off. Plus, I left the garlic in the oil. All of those combined together burnt the oil, giving the oil a brown color, and it gives the chicken that nice golden crispy color. And it's not burnt. The chicken is nowhere near burnt. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna throw away some of the oil and leave just a tipsy bit in the pot. Get rid of all that burny stuff. and the garlic and stuff like that that's in the oil, and leave a little tip of oil. Don't wash out the pot, use the same pot, leave a little oil. Be careful getting rid of that oil. The pot is very hot. If you like, you could wait until the pot cool down, or you could get a thick hand mitten and throw it away. Dispose of it properly, most likely outside, dirt, or in the bushes. So now I got rid of the oil, some of it. Let me show you. And I didn't scrape out the pot, I didn't wash it out, and I leave a little bit of oil in it. So now we're gonna add our chicken. Okay, I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna add the chicken, see, to the pots. Then I'm going to add my vegetables. Oopsie. I am going to add some warm water to wash out the excess seasoning that is in the container that my chicken was in, so I get all that seasoning down in it. And now to my warm water and my seasonings, I'm gonna add ketchup. I love Grace ketchup. That's the only one I use. Oh, my ketchup is finished. So, not much water, maybe half cup of water, and you're just gonna pour that over the chicken. And you're gonna go ahead just might need a little bit more water. And then you can, and then cover the pot and leave it. So it's all done, guys. Let's have a look. There we have it. My mom's special brown stew. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. A little tip: if your gravy is very watery, you can use a teaspoon of flour and a little bit of water and add it to your gravy. That will give it some body. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.